Ciao, my name is Ben and I'm one of two creators of Chapter 6. As mentioned in last week's video, I'll be taking you through an important technique in street photography and one that I use frequently, the fishing technique. When I'm out for some street photography, I try various tricks and ways to capture moments, and one of them is the fishing technique. It consists of finding a scene I like, pre-framing it and waiting for a subject, usually a person, to walk past it or to frame itself by going through it. As shown here, I set myself up in this location and I wait for the right moment to come. Sometimes I wait 2 minutes, sometimes I wait 20 minutes. It depends on whether I feel in that moment if the picture is worth the wait or not. Just like fishing, this method requires patience and a vision to turn the scene alive, which I think is a crucial skill to have as a street photographer. A lot of my photos are done using this tactic, and I encourage everyone to try it and hopefully master it. Once again, as you can see, I try to predict where the person will go in order to frame him correctly and to tell a story creatively. I really like when the person is going sideways so I can capture his stride, giving a classic look to the image. I hope you've learned something new or refreshed your mind with a skill you can use next time you go shooting. Don't forget to subscribe, like and comment down below. You can also follow us on Instagram, the Chapter 6, or on my personal page, Ben Lusci, or on Andrew's page, Andrew Molchan. Thank you for watching and see you next week.